How to visit dark web links safely. The dark web, like its name implies, is a dark realm. The dark web, which is only accessible via an anonymizing browser such as Tor, is referred to as the invisible section of the Internet. This article will teach you everything there is to know about the dark web, including what it is and how to use it securely. What is the dark net? The inconspicuous portion of the Internet is known as the dark web. It's a gloomy location since it's primarily utilized for unlawful activity. Furthermore, you must avoid being scammed by someone on the Internet. As a result, no one here is identifiable to each other. What you need to know about the dark web. If something goes wrong, you could wind up in jail if you don't use the proper security measures to preserve your anonymity, so it's important to understand the basics of how dark web URLs function to avoid them. Follow the law. Don't get involved in anything unlawful. There is a fine line between right and wrong to be aware of. Because of one irresponsible action caused by faulty operational security, you might ruin your entire life. So, do whatever you want, but obey the law. Don't put your identity at risk by falling for random sites. Avoid all forms of illicit publishers and remain vigilant. You can never be sure what sorts of unlawful behavior they may be involved in. They might try to defraud and sell you harmful products and unsolicited services. Your gadget security could be jeopardized. Don't click on strange links. Never click on suspicious download links without first creating a dedicated sandbox environment, no matter how genuine or appealing they appear. Keep an eye out for these suspicious connections. A simple click on a link to a dark web site, according to https://darkwebrawls.com/, may result in the loss of all of your data as well as render your device unusable. The dark web is a gloomy realm where illicit conduct, including stolen bank information, login credentials, millions of phony accounts, drug and chemical supplies, as well as even dangerous services like murder and hacking employment are all prevalent. Visit our website for more information.